Hello everyone, Amit Ohra from EcoVisioner. I hope you have watched the first video of 10 most expected questions of Pol Science class 12th coming in the first term. Today we have the second unit that is called End of Bipolarity. Before we start with the questions to be discussed, we will be discussing what topics we have to cover in this chapter. According to CBSE, we have to go for disintegration of Soviet Union, unipolar world, मिडल ईस्ट क्राइसिस, ये तीन मेन टॉपिक हैं. इसके अंडर हमें अफगानिस्तान, गल्फ वॉर, डेमोक्रेटिक पॉलिटिक्स एंड डेमोक्रेटाइजेशन, उसमें हमें CIS, कॉमनवेल्थ ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट स्टेट्स एंड अरब स्प्रिंग के बारे में पढ़ना है. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन. द फर्स्ट इलेक्टेड प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ रशिया वाज मिखाइल गोर्बाचोव, बोरिस येल्सिन, निकिता व्लादिमीर पुतिन. So the correct answer is Boris Yeltsin. Coming to question number 2, identify the correct statement or statements. Mikhail Gorbachev was the General Secretary of the Communist Party of Soviet Union. It is true. USSR split into 16 republics. It is false. It split into 15 republics. Tajikistan was a Central Asian republic with a 10-year civil war that continued till 2001 is a correct statement, and CIS stands for Commonwealth of Independent States is also correct. So we have three correct statements, A, C and D. So our option here is D. Which among the following statements that describe the nature of Soviet Union is wrong? So again we have to find the incorrect statement about Soviet Union. Socialism was the dominant ideology. Of course, true. State ownership existed over factors of production. True. People enjoyed economic freedom. False. Every aspect of the economy was planned and controlled by the state, that is government. Of course. So, जो wrong statement है वो है people enjoyed economic freedom. There was no economic freedom in Soviet Union. Next question we have. Where was the influence of Arab Spring visible? कौन कौन सी कंट्रीज में विजिबल थी? ऑल्दो स्टार्ट टूनिशिया से हुई थी इन 2010, पर कहां कहां उसका और इफेक्ट देखा गया था? Was it Egypt, Libya, Syria or all of the above? Yes, it was all of the above. Next question. Which of the following is the reason for disintegration of USSR? Soviet Union disintegrate क्यों हुआ? There was economic stagnation, there was political stagnation, or there was administrative stagnation. As every point is correct, so we have all of the given as the correct answer. The model of transition of Russia, Central Asia and Eastern European countries influenced by the World Bank and IMF is termed as Marshall Plan, US Plan, shock therapy or US therapy. I think everybody knows it. It is shock therapy. Identify the wrong combination. So we can cover a few questions, 3 questions in one question. Year wise जो question आते हैं हम यहाँ से cover कर सकते हैं. So let us see the wrong combination. Russian Revolution was 1917. It's a correct combination. Soviet invasion of Afghanistan was in 79. Arab Spring 2001 is incorrect as Arab Spring is 2010. Fall of Berlin Wall is also correct. It is 89. So the correct answer is option is C. Coming to question number 8, we have to match the following. So I'll just directly match it for you. Operation, ये सारे US के operations के बारे में है. When it was a unipolar world and US was attacking various nations कि भैया किसी के पास weapons of mass destruction है, और something was response to the 9/11, the attack which supposed to be done by Osama bin Laden. तो ऐसे कुछ उसके operations हैं जो यहाँ पे दिए गए हैं. So first operation Enduring Freedom was of course response to the attack on USA 9/11. First Gulf War जो की गई थी वो 1991 में हुई थी जब कुवैत ने इराक पे अटैक किया था. March 2003 again US attacked Iraq and that was named as ऑपरेशन इराकी फ्रीडम, जिसमें सद्दाम हुसैन को पकड़ा था. and then Operation Infinite Reach was against Taliban. So the option C is the correct one. Soviet Union invaded Afghanistan in which year? That is 1979. And AR question पे आते हैं students. Cold War came to an end with the collapse of Soviet Union. That is absolutely true. And USA became one of the powerful countries of the world, only powerful country in the world. Yes, it moved from bipolar world to unipolar world. So the option is both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation. A. Coming to extra question for students, which you all can write in the comment section. These are 2 extra questions I'll be giving you in all the videos. So आप उसे comment section में ज़रूर इसका आंसर दीजिए, and also please subscribe to this channel and like the video if you think it is beneficial for you. Which of the following countries becomes the first of the 15 Soviet republics to declare its independence? क्या वो लुथेनिया था, रशिया था, यूक्रेन था कि जॉर्जिया था? So students, please write it in the comment section. And the last extra questions which we have today is arrange the following in the chronological order of their occurrence. Disintegration of USSR, Berlin Wall collapse, February Revolution, and Gorbachev became the General Secretary of USSR. तो इसको हमें chronological order में बताना है. तो कौन सी option true है, कौन सी option correct है, you have to write it in the comment section. And teachers, for you, we have teachers annual assistance program for you. All the resource which we make will be given free to you when you take the membership, and your 10 students will be also given the opportunity to take the free E-Olympiad of EcoVisioneer in their respective subjects. And for annual membership, you can contact the given number. And students, if you want to practice for the first term and again now coming second term, you can download the EcoVisioneer app, and there you'll find various tests of various subjects. And if you want any personal or group tuitions of the given subjects, Pol Science, Economics, and Business Studies, you can contact on the given number. All the best for your exam. I'll be back with the 3rd video of book 1 and then 3 chapters of book 2. All the best. Take care.